Hello, ciao everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup and Beauty Talks with Marta. Today we finally can say that the spring is here. Spring arrived as well here in Ireland. I am so happy, absolutely super delighted. The sun is shining, the temperature are not really warm but a little bit warmish, especially during the day, and that's why today I am really happy to talk and to review with you this palette, this beauty here from Natasha Denona. I posted a couple of days ago that I ordered it, and then I posted also the picture when I did receive this beauty. And yeah, so I have to say I cheated just a little bit because I used it yesterday, but I couldn't film because I didn't have the time. So I tried on yesterday and I was so happy. I was really happy with the performance of the eyeshadows. I think they are beautiful as usual. As we know from Natasha Denona, we have great products with really high standard quality, lots of different texture to play with, and also different colors. Obviously, this is all pastel, so we know what to expect. I will show you as well the beauty inside of the shades. Oh yeah, Chloe is here with me. Yes? You okay? Okay. Do you want to be part of this? No, you can't for now. Today we are gonna try a makeup that is a little bit more colorful, okay? And maybe if you like it, if you want to see more, we can also make another video with a little bit more, let's say, everyday appropriate. Even though I don't like to use that kind of wording, especially for makeup, I think that is very personal. What it can be appropriate for me for everyday makeup. Chloe, please. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's see. Let's see if I will be able to film this video with a lot of talking, obviously, of Chloe today. What I was saying is that, obviously, what it can be really appropriate for me for every day, maybe is not for everybody, or the other way around, is still makeup. We still can wash our face, so there is no drama to involve with. And so, without any further ado, as everybody always say in the videos, let's play with this. Just to let you know, I already have my base. I used my favorite base combo, and you can see in the previous video. I will link it here in the channel as well if you want to look at that. So I used the rose ink as a base, plus the flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and then as foundation the NARS light reflecting foundation. And just to let you know, I have the M1.2 Patagonia. That's my color, and that's basically it. I set it, and I use for my under eye, I use the MCGRATH, sorry, Skin Fetish Sublime. This is L6. Okay, so we can go and we can start. I would like to tell you a little bit about this palette. As you see, is what they call the MIDI palette from Natasha. So it's 15 colors. I think is the best option in terms of the sizes of her palettes. That's my favorite. And of those 15 colors, we have 2 repeats that are Mint Frost and Limoncello, and those 2 were in the Tropic palette that I don't have, so I'm like, okay, it's all new for me. The Tropic palette is not available anymore. And then obviously what I want to just to give you comparison, if I have to think about previous Natasha Denona palette, the big sister of this pastel is obviously the Circo Loco. So the Circo Loco, as you see, is full of very saturated, super colorful eyeshadows, sorry, while this one, it's more, as we know, on the pastel, but it's really it's a little bit more soft, but we can pair it together as well. So if you have it, what I want to say, like, if you have the Circo Loco, I think that you can achieve more or less what we can achieve with the pastel. However, they can also go really well together. So I want to be brave. Today we're gonna do something not super, but a little bit more colorful. And I want to start with Zest. And this is one of those creamy powder. Let me get you a little bit closer. There we are. Cream to powder, it's very, very smooth. It's very easy to blend. It's important to pack first and then to blend a little bit, because it's very easy to blend and it's gonna give you a little bit more washed look, unless you go over again and you can pack a couple of times. I'm gonna use the soft shader from Sonia G. As you see, is a little bit flat, our shade, and I'm gonna put that in the first third of my eyelid, and as I said, I'm gonna pack it first and then I am gonna just blend it a little bit. And the same on the other eye. If you want this kind of formula, but it's really like all the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, you really can also use your finger. It's gonna be really useful, especially for the next color that I want to use, for the metallic colors, because it's gonna warm up a little bit of that metallic, and it's gonna give even more the I'd say the shininess the shyness. Is it an English word? I don't know. You let me know. And it's gonna be really nice in terms of what is the payoff of the color itself. And then you can blend it, obviously, if you need to. So far, I really like it. Then we go with Starlet. This is the metallic, kind of pinkish, as you see. I'm gonna put it in the center of the eyelid and then move it towards the external third, and then we are gonna blend it together. Then I'm taking, actually I want a medium fluffy, that's too big. 1 second, I have 2000 of different brushes, but still. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go again with the classic crease from Sonia G. I'm gonna blend these two, and then I'm gonna take Bellini, that is peach matte, and I am gonna use Bellini almost as our transition. Tone down a little bit the Starlet. I'm gonna go back with Starlet with another flat brush just to intensify, and with the very first brush I am gonna go again on Zest, and I am gonna blend those two between Zest and Starlet. Chloe, again, she's here. Say hi. She wants to go just behind the camera where there is the window. That's it. But not now. Later, please. Go back on Bellini. And now I am trying to intensify the edge and to blend it together and to get it a little bit more on the elongate of my eye. I can go more with Starlet on the corner, and now I'm gonna repeat everything with this eye. Okay, so oh my gosh, I'm starting to have the light. That's what it looks like, just the upper lashes. And just give me 1 second and I will do the lower lashes. I'm back. Hopefully I still have, maybe I'm gonna have it less, I don't know. I hope that you still can see me and it's not annoying. Okay, maybe like this is better. I really hope so. I think we are good on the top. Now we are gonna do the bottom lashes and we are gonna start with Bellini. This one again. And we just go all over our lower lash. Then with the pencil brush, this is the Refer 26. I'm gonna go again on Starlet and we're gonna place that on the outer corner, both eyes obviously, and we really smudge. If we want to intensify a little bit, we can also go with Bora, and we can try Bora is another cream to powder. Or if we have, obviously, if we have a pencil, we can just use a pencil. I don't think I have a pink. I wanted to use, you know, a pink pencil, but I need to get one. And in this case, I don't want to go again. I could go with Bora also on the outer corner. I'm okay with that. What I might do is actually use one of my more dark purple pencil, use it to tight line just a little bit, and I go with that pencil brush. I like just to work with my lash line. Obviously doesn't have to be super precise, you can just go and then working with your brush to get smudges and to get that extra depth. And what we are gonna do, obviously we continue with the Zest on both eyes. And what we can do is that we can get a little bit more of a light on the corner with limoncello. So we get limoncello and we place it in the inner corner and going down a little bit as well. I'm so sorry about the glare of the sun. And that's basically our eye done. I am gonna go and finish my look with the obviously with mascara and some blush, and I'm gonna come back. And there we are. So again, like the light is still here. So the look is finished. What I used is, for mascara, I used the MACStack. This is lovely. In terms of blush, I use these from Pat McGrath, and this is the what's the Nude Venus. This is the one that I used. Also the highlighter from Pat McGrath, and this is the one. So I kept myself everything on the pinky side. Obviously I didn't want to do anything too bold on the lips, so I used this Dior Addict. This is in 640, and this is basically a gloss, but I like this color. I think it's it's working pretty well with the rest of the makeup. I really enjoy playing with the Natasha Denona palette. I will also include in here the swatches. I did some swatches yesterday and I filmed. I hope that I can put it together. Yeah, again with the light. Again, this was really nice to play with. I think that I can do a lot of different looks with it. If you like pastel, but also if you like to play with colors, I think this is a really nice palette. As usual for Natasha Denona, she's delivering always. If you don't like pastel, maybe you want to skip this one. There are for sure many other palettes that can do the same or create a similar look for you. If you like this review and this video today, don't forget to give a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. I really hope to see you soon again, and that's it for today. Ciao ciao. Mwah.